No matter what they say, the sun is shining down on me. Birds are singing praise. I'm about to have a good day in every single way. The God who made the universe knows me by my name, so it's a good day. Baby in my arms, walking through the neighborhood, living in the present, not what I shoulda or could. I remember back when I was low as a rug. Now I'm standing up, look at what my father does, turning all things new, gray skies blue. Hear the church saying, won't he do it? I know he's got my back, that's why I'm singing that. I'm about to have a good day, no matter what they say. The sun is shining down on me, birds are singing praise. I'm about to have a good day in every single way. The God who made the universe knows me by my name, so it's a good day. It's a good day, no, it's great. Everything I prayed for didn't come in late. I got all I need and I didn't have to wait. Ask me if you love me, you didn't hesitate. Turning all things new, gray skies blue. Hear the church saying, won't he do it? I know he's got my back, that's why I'm singing that. I'm about to have a good day, no matter what they say. Sun is shining down on me, birds are singing praise. I'm about to have a good day in every single way. God who made the universe knows me by my name, so it's a good day.
A good day. Ba 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 ba. Bleh, bleh. We're gonna have a good day, chat. Good morning. Good morning. We're back. We're doing it live. We're at the BDH. It's time. It's time. It's time to make some money. That's right. That's right. All right. All right. Take a look here. Take a look here. 5-minute chart right now. We got that pivot point holding up down there at the 37s. We're below the VWAP here. VWAP there at the 64s. And we are getting ready for market open right here. All right, all right. There's that little push back up to the 60s. Right there below the VWAP. VWAP right now at the 65s. Good morning, good morning. We are back. Another day, another dollar. You can see here, ES, Nasdaq, both very similar to their charts right now. And see what happens here open. We had a little bit of news this morning. A little bit of news at 8:30. A little bit of news this morning. Where is it? You can see this morning, this morning, 17th, we had retail sales there at 8:30. And then tomorrow, the big numbers. We got the Fed target rate. We got initial jobless claims. We got all that hot stuff happening tomorrow. So we'll see once the market opens up where we're at, where we're going. Look to make some money, honey. Overnight move, kind of just chopping around here. The high so far, 22,120s. The low, 21, kind of like 22,000. So overnight move, kind of chopping around. Well, let's see what happens. Big tick house. It's the big tick house. Funding ticks, big tick. Hey, 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 BTH, baby. All right, all right. All right, looking at the overnight here. What do we got? Kind of like in this channel right here overnight. In this channel overnight. 1 hour chart. Maybe pull back to that 22,000 again. Maybe. We'll see what happens. We've obviously got yesterday's close there, 22,170s to the upside. About 120 points. 120 points. $120 points. Pivot point down there, 21,995 in the hourly chart, and then to the upside there at the 223s. 5-minute chart, we got a pivot point right there, 22,038s, but we've basically been in this channel here overnight. We're going to see, will we get a breakout to the upside? Will we pull back to the bottom of this channel? This is like yesterday's kind of low there. That 22,000 area is yesterday's low. So Ed Sam, if you enter a trade and it's getting choppy instead of going your way, what do you do? It just depends on the setup. Sometimes I'm just going to take profit early, to be honest. Really just depends on the setup, honestly. But let's see what happens here today. That 22,000 area just looking interesting down there. An area to think about. Remember to make 100 points today. That's the plan. If I don't make 100 points, I'm a failed trader. Failed trader. Been trading for about 8 years now. Somebody asked how long I've been trading. Right now, we're stuck below these EMAs, the 9 EMA, the 21 EMA. You got some support down here at the 40s for now. If we lose that 40 support, 22,000 comes pretty quickly. That overnight low down there, 22,000. You got the kind of like yesterday's low, 22,009 as well. So how long will the 30% deal work? Hopefully for a while. Patrick, ever gonna go to the Big Rock? Maybe if I get a Big Rock boat. Maybe one day. Big Rock. What's up, what's up? Good morning, good morning. Good morning, chat. Would you get short at 35? No, but maybe. We'll see. Going for that 40 test, looks like. To test that pivot point again. Just keeps getting stuck there at the 50s. Bit of a bear flag here on the 1-minute chart. When did you buy the Lambo? I've had the Lambo for a while. I've had the Lambo for a hot minute here. One hot minute. Just one hot minute. All right, Nasdaq testing the 40s there. Looking weak. Looking weak here. Will they hold the 40s? Lose the 40s. Like I said, that 22,000 area to the downside. We're kind of in this channel right now. The overnight low down there, 22,000s. So we'll see what happens. Ooh, pivot point right now, trying to hold up there. Trying to hold up there, but will they hold? Will they hold? Again, bouncing there at the 40s. That pivot point right there at the 38.40 level. So we still got about 20 minutes until market opens. So we'll see what they do with this level here. Will they hold it? That hourly chart kind of looking like we might dip down and take out these lows there. Just sitting right there. 30-minute chart sitting there at the 40s. How would I enter a trade like this? Well, I'm basically thinking, I think I'd be looking more to buy the dip off 22,000 like area down there. It would kind of make sense that we kind of maybe dip down to that overnight low and then pop back up. We got Fed rate decision tomorrow. We got more news. Let's see what happens. Again, kind of bouncing there at the 40s. Bouncing there at the 40s once again. The pivot points, I don't determine the pivot points. It's an indicator on TradingView. Pivot points standard. If you go on TradingView, go to the indicators, type in pivot points standard. That's what I use right there. It's free on TradingView. People asking how I find out the pivot points. Well, I just use an indicator. Trader Don C, how's the Indio Picaro doing? You know how it's doing. Eep, 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 eep. Trader Don C brought me that, he brought it to the BDH. He's like, you need an Indio. I'm like, I got me an Indian now. Look at that little thing. Wee, wee, wee. This is actually, they make this in Chile. It's an actual Chile thing, I guess. This best gift. That's the first time I've ever gotten a little boner dude for a birthday, for a present. I guess my fans really know me, you know? They know what I want. They know what I want. Oh, man. All right, Nasdaq just holding up there at the 40s for now. We got still plenty of time till market open. See if we get that bleed through the 40s, maybe down there to the 22,000s here. To the bottom of that channel. The overnight channel, ding, 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 ding. We got a pivot point right now there holding up. So let's see. Maybe we pop back up to the VWAP, get denied, then we break through the 40s. Maybe. The green screen's flickering. Yeah, it's flickering all right. I'm trading the September contracts. September contracts. Can you explain how you use pivot points? Well, the pivot points are just support resistance. If we're above the pivot point, it's acting as support. If we're below it, it's acting as resistance. Simple idea. Look at them. They dipped it right below that right below that 40 level. Little trap there. Let's see if they pop it right back up. All right, losing that 40s now. Do you tell us before you enter a trade? I think I'm going to tell you. Don't worry. I'll tell you, right? The moment that I enter, I'm going to tell you, baby. What is your difference between the course and the live? Well, the course is a course, and this is a live. That's probably the biggest difference. How do you determine a news direction? I don't really know. I don't really know an actual strategy to determine news direction other than just maybe kind of YOLO. Corey, I'm assuming the pivot point can move during the day. No. The pivot point is based on the previous day price action. The pivot point is basically data, mathematical equations, adding up the highs and the lows of the previous day, and then plotting the pivots for the next day. The pivot points don't change throughout the day. If you see a different price for the NQ right now, if you're seeing a different price, that means you're trading the June contracts. We are trading September contracts. It's NQ U5. NQ U5. NQ U5. This one right here. 2005. This one. I just trade the continuous forward or whatever you call it. Tim, good morning. Let's go. Do you have a mentorship? Yes. Live on YouTube for free. Tune in every day, 9 a.m. Let's go. And why this contract? Because it has the most volume. Lots of questions today. I like it. I'm trying to keep a smile on my face. I'm trying. I'm trying here, chat. All right, again, back up off of that 40 level. We got the VWAP to the upside there. 63s. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, help me out. Blow up the like button. Patrick Wieland, do you have a course? Yes, I have a course. Where's Landon? Landon's at home. He decided that he was going to hang at the pool today. He said he ain't going to trade the chop. That's what he told me. I swear to God. He said it's going to be choppy today and he ain't going to trade it because of the FOMC tomorrow. So I was like, all right, bro. Whatever you say, man. Whatever you say, bro. Whatever my little boy says. All right, market took out that lows, that 40 low, and look at this popping back up here now. Loves to do that kind of shit where it obviously dumps down there, hits that pivot point, comes back up here into open. We got the VWAP there at the 64s. VWAP at the 64s here. We got 9 minutes till market open. 9 minutes. If you look here, ES, Nasdaq, all looking very, very, similar. We got a kind of a double bottom overnight on the ES. That 46 is your 45 is your overnight low area. So obviously, if we sell off there, we're looking for that 45 area to break, kind of get down through that 45 level possible. But right now, again, kind of turning back up here. The Nasdaq turning back up and holding that pivot point for now. There goes the Nasdaq, pushing back up here right to the VWAP now. Right there to the VWAP there. So, it's happening, chat. It's happening. Do you use TradingView? I have never used TradingView in my entire life. Nope. Never any TradingView. I don't even... What's that? What is TradingView? Please show your time frame for each chart. 1 minute chart. Five-minute head and shoulders. Maybe. Getting stuck there at the VWAP again. Could roll off here. When do you decide to buy and sell? Whenever a good setup forms. Which car is your favorite? Probably the Lamborghini. Maybe the McLaren. I don't know. It's close. It's real close. It's real close, chat. All right, we're getting situated here, getting ready for market open. Nasdaq kind of chopping around here below the VWAP. Bounced off that pivot point down there at the 38s. I basically just want to see either we're going to take out this liquidity to the downside here at open, or we're going to rip up, take out that liquidity. I mean, we got a pretty tight range overnight, so we know that there's a very good chance that we're going to either take out the high or the low here. We just got to figure out what that direction is once the market opens. That dip down below 22,000 and then back up would be kind of like that idea, if we can go down there. When does your funding tick code end? It never ends. Well, I don't know, actually. It might end soon. I don't know exactly. So overnight, we pretty much have a tight range up, down here. So it's a good spot to just kind of be patient. We're in the middle of the overnight range right now, right? Middle of the overnight range. We have that gap from yesterday's close there, 22,170 area. We've got yesterday's high up there, 22,200s. So I'm just sitting back here being patient, waiting for a market to open. The cars are rentals, yes. I rented them. I put wheels on them. I wrapped them. I put my logo on them. That way, when I return them to the rental place, they can have all the upgrades, baby. Put $100,000 worth of carbon fiber on a rental car. Yeah, baby. Dennis W., can you show a live trade? Yes, I will. You get ready, Dennis. I want you to sit there, and I don't want you to do anything but stare at the fucking screen until I do something, Dennis. All right? All right, that's what I want you to do, Dennis. Do not move, Dennis. Stay focused, Dennis. Stay focused. Be ready for me, baby. Be ready. Daddy's going to take you to the promised land. Daddy's going to take you to the promised land, boy. PW, can you give us more details on your course? There's a bunch of videos on YouTube that you can watch talking about the course. You can actually go to onlyprofirms.com. There's a whole fucking video on there. There's a whole video on onlyprofirms.com that talks about what's in the course. It's literally a whole video. You can watch it if you want, or you can just keep asking me about it. It's a free video. You can watch the video, see what it's all about. There's a link there in the chat. It'll explain it a lot better than I will. All right, Nasdaq getting real tight here. If we get above that VWAP here at open, kind of be looking to get up there through the highs. We got a little bit less than 3 minutes here. 3 minutes here till market opens. And just getting ready. Getting it good. Can you copy trade on Trade of 8? Yes. Any more questions? I'm here. I can answer every question. Every question you have, I got the answer for you, baby. You just ask it. I will answer. What do we think, Chad? Up or down at open? Who's got what? Up or down? Up or down? Bulls, bears? Who's bullish? Who's bearish? Are we going straight down at open? Straight up at open? Which way? Which way? Which way? Up, up, up? Up, 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 up? Uppity, up, up, up? Uppity, up, up, up? Like that? We're going up, up, up? Uppity, up? Uppity, up? I'm so up. I'm so down. I'm so up. I'm so down. Chat going wild right now. Down then up, ups and downs, left and right, right then left. Where's ICT at? We need him to come here so we can fade him. Remember yesterday when he's like, guys, get ready. It's going to be nasty. It's going to be nasty out there, boys. Nasty, nasty. I'm like, whoa, ICT, relax, bro. Relax, little dude. You know, relax, little ICT. You got to relax, bro. You got to relax, man. We got 40 seconds till market opens. 40 seconds. 10 seconds. Oh my God, I'm scared. I'm scared, chat. Market about to open. Here we go. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. It's going up. Oh, it went up. Oh, buddy. Is that good that it went up? I'm confused. I'm confused. It went up. Up, up, up. Straight to the fucking moon here. Right there at that 22,100 level. Can we push through there? The overnight high right now is 20s, 120s. And then obviously we fill that gap to push us all the way back up there to the 160s now. Lots of momentum here. If we get through that 100 area strong, go towards that, oh, there's, oh, I wanted to get long right there, but, oh, yep, no, it's still going long. Oh, it's, nope, oh, still going higher. Okay, that's cool. Okay. All right, Nasdaq, relax, slow down, little buddy. All right, we wait for a little bit of a pullback here now. That was a big move up there. I want to see some pullback here. See if we can build out a little bit of a flag, but this thing's like really kind of looks like it wants to still go higher here. Let's see. Give me some more pullback here, you know? More pullback, please. If we can get like maybe like 75s, I might try to buy the dip here in this area just to see if I can't get filled down there. Getting filled there. And then let's see if we can't get back up there above the 90s like right away now. Maybe like take a little bit of profit there at 89s. All right, so we're long here off the 70s right now. Looking to see if we can't get up there towards that 80 push. One of these setups here. Get off that EMA there. Get off the EMA here, off the 80s, and try to push up. Looking for this push back above the 90s here. Can I get filled there? 89s. Getting one filled. All right, I'm moving my stop here to break even, and I'm going to put this stop above the highs. Well, right there at 75s. It's either going to stop me out for a small profit, or we can ride this for new highs. Ooh, real close to my stop there. How did we not get filled? Still holding. Still holding. If we can get through this 90, we get this breakout here, we could start ramping up, but we just need to get through 90s. What kind of watch do I wear? It's an AP. AP, baby. Nasdaq just being a pain right here. Can't get through the 90s. We might get stopped. We're long from the 71s. I got one contract left here at 75. If we get stopped, I'm okay with that. We still locked in profit. But now we can wait to see if we get above the 90s again. Get above that 90 level. See if we get a breakout. We're still above the VWAP. That 66 level VWAP right now. Getting real tight there at the 90s. Can we get through there? Watch it here in my Apex account for a break above the 90s. The high of that 1 minute candle is pretty much 90. So if we get above 90s, looking for a breakout here. ES right now stuck at the pivot. Nasdaq getting real tight. Maybe a dip down below that opening candle would be great. Little dip. 70s again. Still just holding up there, right there at the VWAP again, off the 70s. Ooh, little VWAP bounce. Little VWAP bounce. VWAP settings that I use. I don't really change the settings, to be honest. Those are my settings. All right, I'm currently flat, waiting for kind of that next breakout. I think we could, if we kind of make the first candle make a new high, kind of breaks us out here, but I'd want to get above that 90 level strong. Someone says the ES doesn't look good. I mean, it doesn't look bad. So ES has not taken out overnight highs. 76 is the overnight highs on the ES. Right now, Nasdaq again trying to break here. What's Ginger's email address? g@onlyprofirms.com. g@onlyprofirms.com. There's that little push. We got to get right through that 90 area next. I'm going long here. Stop below the 60s. Looking for a push above the 110s. Nice and easy, baby. Give it to me. Let me see it. Oh, God. Let's ramp it right here. Need to ramp through the 90s. I am long here at the 85s. Looking for a squeeze up through the 90s next. Giving it a little bit of room. Trouble there at the 90s again. Might have to get stopped out. Let me see. I'm going to maybe move my stop up here. I want to see where this candle closes at. We got 20 seconds left on this candle here. I want to close above that 85 area on this candle. Real close. Give it some room. I'm going to move my stop now to the 75s. If we break through 90s, I'm moving my stop break even here. Break even very soon here. Let's see. Let's keep it going. Giving it some room. All right. Oh, God. Not that yet. I'm going to go right there to the 82s. That way we're only risking $1,000 here. See that? Yeah, I just didn't want to break out there. So it's better to only risk 1,000 than get clapped there. We should have went through the 90s, you know. We'll wait again here. Back to the VWAP again. Got some movement. And you can see why I stopped out where I did. I only lost 3 points on that trade instead of letting this come all the way back down and stop me out down here. So you got to know when to hold them and know when to fold them. Big dump there now. Back to the 50s here. Obviously, we've got the 15-minute range coming up here. Back to the 40s for now. Really happy that we stopped out where we did. Happy that we stopped out where we did. I'm going to see if we dip, like how far we dip down here. If we lose that 40 support. Like if we basically break this low and then come right back up, then I'm looking for maybe a long, like off this dip. But I want to see us take out that like 35 area, and then it's like maybe we go all the way to the 22,000s. Ba-da-da, banana, beep, fat, bonina. All right, there's that 40 touch. Right there at the pivot point. All right, 30s now. I want to see what happens down here if we get a reaction. Nvidia selling off there as well. Nvidia down, Nasdaq down here. Patrick, do you find that the summer markets are different than October through April? Not really. I mean, it's all the same shit. Market goes up, market goes down. You know? Not really much you can do about it, to be honest. All right, here's that dip. Again, 15-minute range has been set. 15-minute range is set there. Nice little reaction there off the lows so far. I saw somebody in the chat said they shorted at the 37s. Not sure why you would do that. Hopefully it works out for you. Just kind of stuck there below that EMA for now. We're right there at that pivot point. I don't know, man. I feel like this could just start ripping right back up now. If we get above that 60 area, back above the VWAP, the bears are in trouble. Looks a little trappy down here. Aaron Johnson, what platform is this? This is TradingView on the screen right now. All right, back up there to the VWAP now. Being patient. I'd basically, at this point, we have to get above the VWAP here, right? We have to get above the VWAP and then be looking for a long. Fuck, man. I'm like really hating myself because I didn't get long down there, but getting long off that little dip below that pivot point would have been the play there at the 40s. But now we can kind of just wait here again. We're right there at the VWAP again, right at the VWAP. The ES turned back up. The Nasdaq turned back up. You've got obviously that gap fill from yesterday, the close. We'll see what happens. Got my little buddy here. What's he think's gonna happen? Boner candle! Boner candle! Boner candle! I don't know. That's what he said. That's what that guy said. All right, we're stuck there at the VWAP for now. Is this going to play out as another bear flag and take us lower here? Or do we get the push? It might be a bear flag. I don't know about all that. I think it's a long. If we get through that 70 area, it's right there, man. Ugh. Is this a Bear flag about to break to the downside, or are we going to break to the upside here? All right, we just swept the low of those candles there. We just swept the low of those candles. I might be looking for a long here. I want to watch, see what how this candle looks. See if we get more bullish momentum back up through these wicks. We took out this low, took out these lows here. If we can get a nice big green body candle to the upside, we could start to push up here now. You got 15 seconds on this candle. But again, I want to see a green body. I want to see a green body to the upside there. Right now, trouble there again. So you can see how that candle closed below that 21 EMA. No reason to get long there. Too much top wick. I agree. Like John Wick, but top wick. Another little push up through here. Oh, I'm going to try the longs to get up through the 70s next. Break out of the 70, get that push. I like it. I might take it there at the 79s just to lock it in because we're in the middle of this range still. Don't want to get chopped up here. Maybe I'll take it right there. There we go. Easy peasy. From the 67s up there to the 79s. You can see on the chart we had the bull flag type of setup with the VWAP. Look, it's still going higher, by the way. Still going higher here. Come on, chat. So that basically, as you can see here, from the 67s to the 79s, right? That's what, 12 points? Yes, we gave back 3 points here. But hey, at the end of the day, this is what matters. We're up $8,000, right? We give back some. Sometimes you gotta cut off those losers, keep them small, focus on the winners. Our largest losing trade, $1,000. Our largest winning trade, $4,000. Bang, bang, bang. Look at that. It still went higher. Nice little breakout there. From the 70s all the way up there to the 97s. So I like it. I'm long in my personal account here as well, looking for continuation to the upside here. If we can break out of this 15-minute range to the upside. No worries. Followers will pay for your losses. I mean, how are they going to pay for my losses if I just gave them a fucking winning trade on a silver platter? I just literally showed, I'm confused. I'm confused. All right, Nasdaq still chopping around here. Can I explain the last trade? Sure. Take a look at this trade, right? We got wick, lots of wicks there. We start to push right through those wicks. What makes the most sense? We break out to the upside. Bam, right up into that level. Can we go higher from here? We're above the VWAP now. We took out this lows. I mean, that was our higher low, right? Higher low, break to the upside there. We had the 21 EMA, 1 minute chart. That's what we're looking for. Higher low, right? I basically said, hey, we dip below these two candles. We put in that higher low. If we can get above those highs, we're basically looking for the first candle to make a new high, right? Strong, bullish candle. You know? Might be another long setting up here as well. if we can get through that 80 level again. We're right in the middle of the 15-minute range right now. NVIDIA's pushing back up here. NVIDIA's pushing back up. ES is pushing back up. ES got stuck at the 15-minute high there. It actually made a new high. ES actually made a new high there and then pulled right back. So the ES still has the overnight high all the way up there at the 76s for the Asian market. Right now, Nasdaq holding up here as well. We're right there at the VWAP. What's the 15-minute range indicator? It's the LuxAlgo Orb. Opening range, break, and targets. Ding, 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 ding. And the chop continues here for now. Back to the VWAP. Oh my God. What was that? News? Aggressive news there, right off the VWAP again. A lot of chop. ES and Nasdaq. NVIDIA just popped to the moon. NVIDIA popping to the moon. Fuck. We don't have any 10 o'clock news here. Do I want to take a long? I would have wanted to be long from like the 80, 75 area, but looking a little dangerous now. Oh, pretty much I'm going to wait to see if we get above 22,100. We got that 15-minute range all the way up there at the 10s. So if we can get above that 110 level, then there's plenty of upside there, 150, 160 area. So, I mean, we're primed and ready. If you guys haven't hit that like button, we're looking to make some more money here. Stay tuned. I told Dennis this morning, just fucking don't do nothing but watch this live stream. You're going to make some money with me today. Let's go, baby. Come on, Dennis. Where are you at, Dennis? Dennis W. Dennis, Dennis. Where'd you go? 10 a.m. news? Yeah, but it's not like nothing too crazy. We do have 10 o'clock news here, but it's like 2-star, 1-star news. Business inventories in a minute and a half here. We got news coming out here in what is that? 30 seconds? 30 seconds till the news. What is the importance of the previous market close? Also the high and the low. Well, I mean, the importance is, you know, that's where resistance and support is. The overnight high, the overnight low. Very important levels. Kind of a silly question. That's a silly question, chat. That's a very silly question. Patrick, what does it matter about the highs and the lows? Well, I mean, there's the opening range breakout. All right, we took out the 15-minute range here. Above the hundreds now. Will we chop back to the VWAP again? If you're just starting out trading, I would highly suggest spending a little bit of time watching my YouTube videos. There's a lot of really good videos on my YouTube that talk about everything you need to understand. You can buy the course for $199 as well. That's an option, but just, you know, it never hurts to learn a little bit, you know? Learn what we're looking at here. It'll help you a lot on the live stream because if you know what I'm talking about, it'll help you understand kind of what we're looking for. Pullbacks and setups and breakouts and all that fun stuff. So, all right, so we go straight up. We took out the 15-minute range high. Are we just going to, like, kind of grind higher now? We're still below the overnight high. I mean, in theory, we should be... In theory, did I miss my long entry right there off those EMAs? QPFX, Patrick, I've been a break-even ICT trader for close to a year. Came in this channel, and now I've been cleaning house. I mean, you know. Who you want to learn how to trade from? The guy that trades demo accounts or the guy who's on top of the leaderboard? I mean, you know, it's up to you guys. You guys make that choice. Who do you want to learn from, you know? I'm like, I feel like I want to get long in here, but I just hate the fact that we have not gotten out of the 15-minute range yet. We've not gotten out of that 15-minute range, which I don't like. But we're right there at those EMAs holding up right now. 9 EMA, 21 EMA. If we get above this 90s, I might be looking for the longy dongy. He's trying to push here again. Right there at the 90s. Looking for a break through the 90s for a possible long. Got to break that 90 area. If not, I'm okay. Wait for the dip again. There it goes, dipping down there. Still just sitting here patient. You can see on the day there, $8,400. We had one basically like little break-even trade. We got out for a small loss. And we hit it again right there. Bang, bang, bang. So pulling back into the VWAP now. There's your VWAP, middle of that 15-minute range. The chop is real. Landon said he wasn't going to trade today because it was going to be choppy. So, I mean, the kid knows his stuff, man. He knows his stuff. We got 5,000 people watching right now. Let's go. Don't, ooh, where's that thing at? Don't forget, with, right now, if you use the code PW, the first 10 traders who get a payout with funding ticks, I'm going to match it. Just one account, though. Don't go fucking, you know, hey, Patrick, I made $1 million. Now you got to match me. No, no, no. Sit down. Sit down. All right. Still just kind of holding up here at the VWAP for now. I want to see us break out, like kind of get up into here, and then maybe we get a long opportunity. Buyers again. I mean, like, we're fucking... This might be the long right here. I just want to see that 90 break. Got to get through that 90s. Again, just like stuck right there. Wick, wick, wick. Let's see how this candle closes. Got 27 seconds for this candle to close. We're holding up at the VWAP. We're holding up at the EMAs. We're in the middle, like the top half of the opening range here. So... 5 seconds to close on this candle. Will we close it above the 90s here? Oh, that's kind of the entry candle right here. Let me see if I get a little bit of a dip. Want a little bit of a dip down. Nope, no, dip it. Pull me. No. Where the fuck you going, Nasdaq? Come back. There you... Oh. Come back, Nasdaq. Come back. Oh, what a stupid candle. I want to see like a little wick on the bottom of this candle before. I don't want to just enter with no wick there, because what happens? Because then this turns into a big wick and then it's going to fucking dump on me. So I want to see this. I want to see a candle with the bottom wick before I go and enter a trade here. No bottom wick. It's just like, it's hard to get long right there because you're like, scary. Scary. Because like I said, I don't want this candle to turn into just a wick. I don't want it to look like this. See how this candle, like, we pop straight up and then it just fucking hammers it right back down? That's what I don't want with these candles that have no wicks on the bottom. What would be great now is kind of like pull back into that 80, test that 85 level here. I would be like ideal. Just give me like some wicks back. One more wick down into here. Give me one more wick down, Nasdaq. Don't go up. Don't go up, Nasdaq. Give me one more wick. Don't go up, Nasdaq. Wow. That's annoying. That's annoying. All right, now we just gotta wait for a little pullback here. Buying at the top of the range seems silly. Hey, George. George, why don't you go fuck yourself, George? That's what you should do. Don't come in here and tell me what's silly and what's not. Who the fuck is you? Who the fuck is you? George, I don't know. It doesn't have a wick. There's no wick on the bottom of that candle. What are y'all talking about? Patrick, it seems silly to buy at the top of the range. I don't know, George. It's only gone up fucking 15 points since I said I was looking to get long at the 90s. It's only gone up. Fucking George. Yeah, I'm talking to you, George Panos. Every George. If there's one dumb George, everybody becomes a dumb George. Again, like, fucking A, man. Fucking fuck. Look at this shit. That's a bunch of bullshit right there. That is some fucking bullshit right there. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Look at this breakout, chat. Come on. Come on. Oh, she wants to go higher, boys. She wants to go higher. Oh, fuck me. I swear to God. I hate my life sometimes. It's okay. I'm long in my personal account, but I want it to be long in that Apex account. I ain't taking... I'm looking for... like 150 area. George said, isn't it silly to buy at the top of the range? I don't know, fucking George. I don't know, George. I don't know, George. I don't fucking know, George. I gotta go pee now. George got me all fucking worked up here. George got me all worked up. Fucking George! Still going higher, George. Still fucking going higher, George. George! So we went from the VWAP there, we broke out. This is a textbook type of setup, right? What we're looking for is, we're looking for that like dip down, right? We want to see a dip through these like, you know, little wicks there. We get right back up. We build out that kind of momentum, that pressure. We push off the VWAP. We got back above the EMAs and look, ding, 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 ding. It's been nothing but fucking green ever since. Come on. Come on, chat. We're up to the Asia highs now, 120s. The next level is yesterday's close there at the 167s. 167s there for your next level. We got the opening range high breakout here as well. Fucking A, man. The FOMO is real. I cannot believe this trade. I really fucked up. I really fucked up here. Why did I not get long right there? What a stupid fucking stupid. Well, look at that. All right, I'm getting some fill here. I got orders sitting at like the 130, 140 level for my personal account, my cash money account. We're up 11,000 so far with that account. But I'm just kind of, I want more. I want to make more money. $8,433. Come on, we want more, chat. More. I want more.
love you and will dedicate my time to the one true trading king and coach mother effing Wieland. It's the promised land. I love you, MFR. I got long when you gave me the idea.
I like it. I like it. Motherfucker. You motherfucker. He said, hey, anybody that calls me a motherfucker, I'm like, I'm in. I like you. Hey, you know, it is what it is. All right, Nasdaq, where we at? What's going on? Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy, oh, pal. Oh, buddy, oh, pal, oh, buddy. Pal, buddy. All right, we got 5,600 people here. We don't got 1,000 likes. What the fuck is going on, chat? What the fuck is going on? What the fuck is going on? All right, I got an order at 35s for, see if I get filled there. Maybe later. I'm totally fine with just kind of letting that trade ride. I'm not going to be... with my personal account, I kind of really, you know, I want to see some bigger moves because there's no rules, there's no consistency, there's no bullshit. So I'm kind of like, hey, if I'm looking at a trade and I'm looking for a move, it's like I'm okay looking for maybe 160, 170s here today if we push that much. If not, I'm long from the 62s, so... I'm okay with it, you know, at this point. Kind of let it ride. Let it ride. Right now, waiting, see if I get another little pullback here. I'm still kind of sad that I didn't get long down there at the 70s. Oh, I blame the chat. Blame the chat for that one. It's all the chat's fault. It's always the chat's fault. Come on now. No questions. No questions. All right, right up there to the 30s. Like I said, I got an order at 35s on my personal account. And then we'll see if we get more push there. Right now, just sitting back here. So... maybe get a little pullback here would be nice. I hate these like little baby pullbacks because they just make you like get FOMO. I'm gonna see. Let's see if we can get like back down here into that 21 EMA, right? There we go. Back into that 21. Kind of the same thing now. We're just gonna wait for a new candle to make a new high, basically. So, we'll see. Little dippity dip in. The problem with like just buying the dip here at this EMA, it doesn't, you know, like you don't know if the market's gonna hold right here. We could just start plummeting back down. Right? So it's like, that's why you really got to wait for those flags to form. You got to wait for structure. You know, just buying at the, well, as I say that, it's ripping back up. But just buying off that EMA, it's hard. You know, you really got to like let that structure kind of form. Kind of like we had here. You know, because if you would have gotten long there, you probably would have been like, oh, fuck. But you really want to like see that structure forming there. What made you go from the 1 minute chart to the 2 minute chart? Or 1 minute, or the 2 minute from the 1 minute. I think, yeah, I don't know. I kind of just maybe focused a little bit more hyper focused on those 1 minute candle traps and things like that. See, like this is a hard spot because you could get long right here, but you're really just betting on the fact that this is going to be the low of this pullback. And I don't trust it yet. Makes sense to short the overnight top of the range. I mean, we've seen so many times where the overnight top of the range ends up, the market just goes up, 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 up. So I don't think you can't just like, you can't trade simply off the idea that, oh, I'm going to get short at the overnight high. You know, like if it was that easy, everybody would make money. You know, like that's the problem. How do you see confirmation that the pullback is over? Well, there's never 100% confirmation. But right now I'm looking at the 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart looks like maybe we dip down below that 100 level for another long opportunity. Why am I trading the September contracts? I don't even know. I looked yesterday. I thought the volume was better on September, but it might not be. I don't know. Is it? At this point, I mean, does it really matter anymore? Yeah, I mean, September's higher right now, so there's way more volume on September. September has 176,000. And June has 80,000. So yeah, we're trading the right contracts. September contracts have more volume. So I don't see any reason to not trade September. All right, as we pull back here, I'm going to kind of talk through what I'm looking at, right? So I want to see either we're going to hold right here and start breaking out to the upside, or like I said, I want to see that kind of 5-minute pullback, right? We want that 5-minute pullback here to kind of take out these lows, be like dip into here maybe. Also, that whole number being right there, that 21,100 level. So just got to be patient. You just got to be patient. Banana, banana, V5 banana. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. That 5-minute candle just holding on there. But I feel like we could get that dip down there below that 100 next. Nice. There's that pullback through the hundreds there. Now let's see where this candle closes at. Still closing up. So now it's like, hey, if we can get basically above that like 115 level, then I like the longs again. Got the VWAP down there at the 72s. When you say get above the 115 level, do you mean a 1 minute close above the 115? Yeah, I mean, I just want to see like momentum to get back above there. Right now, obviously momentum kind of moving back down here, but we saw that on the 5 minute chart, right? We saw how that was setting up to take out these lows of those two candles on the 5 minute chart, which we did. We took out that low, took out that low. Now it's like, okay, now we look for kind of a 5 minute type of breakout here. Obviously, VWAP down there at the 71s. The great thing is, like, I don't care what, you know, like, it's like, hey, I'm not trying to get short here. I'm not really doing anything other than just waiting for something, for this continuation of this move. I know people in the chat are like, get short, but it's like, why? The VWAP's there. There's all this stuff there. The trend is up. I'm okay with it. You know, it's like Rory. Yeah, long and walk away. I mean, that's probably the play here, but let's see. We still have that gap filled to the upside there, 22,168 to try to get back up there, you know, to yesterday kind of area. So do you buy after it crosses, or do you wait for the candle to close above it? I mean, it really just depends on the candle. Like, if I see really, you know, a strong momentum candle, then I might get long earlier. Can you show the possible flag you're looking at? Yeah. Is it... Wait, was that rocket science? And this is basically what we're looking for, a breakout to the upside here. There's some momentum coming back in there, back above the 105s. I'm going to take a risky long here. See if this momentum won't get us through the 115s now. This music right now, what is this? Someone said, how do I always win? I don't know. Get ready. I might lose on this one. My P&L so far today, we're up $8,000 here in this Apex account. So. Charles said he's long. It's going to drop. What the fuck, Charles? Why'd you get long for, Charles? God damn it, Charles. God damn it. Damn it, Charles. Why'd you do that, Charles? Fucking Charles. All right, I want to see momentum start to come in here, or I might just get out for a small loss. Ugh. That was a bit of a FOMO entry. I should have waited for my 115 break. Should have waited for my 115 break there, chat. We need to hold that 100 level. Break, push to the upside right here. Come on. If we lose hundreds, we're in trouble. We're right there, 22,100. We got to hold the hundreds here for these longs to pay. Come on. We got to hold the hundreds here for these longs to pay. Come on. We got to hold the hundreds here for these longs to pay. Come on. We got to hold the hundreds here for these longs to pay. Come on. We got to hold the hundreds here for these longs to pay. Come on. We got to hold the hundreds here for these longs to pay. Come on. We got to hold the hundreds here for these longs to pay. Come on. We got to hold the hundreds here for these longs to pay. Come on. We got to hold the hundreds here for these longs to pay. Come on. We got to hold the hundreds here for these longs to pay. Come on. We got to hold the hundreds here for these longs to pay. Come on. We got to hold the hundreds here for these longs to pay. Come on. We got to hold the hundreds here for these longs to pay. Come on. We got to hold the hundreds here for these longs to pay. Come on. We got to hold the hundreds here for these longs to pay. Come on. We got to hold the hundreds here for these longs to pay. Come on. Push it up through here right now, right here. Come on, Charles. Come on, Charles. Let's make some money, Charles. Come on, Charles. 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 Need Charles to go. If this doesn't work out, it's all Charles' fault. He even said that it's going to drop now that he got long. Come on, Charles. Come on, Charles. Come on, Charles. Come on, Charles. Take me higher. Come on, Charles. Push it, Charles. Push it, baby. Push it. Push it. Come on, Charles. Let's get through this 115 level. Oh, fuck me. I blame Charles. Come on, Charles. Come on, Charles. Come on, Charles. I just followed Charles. Oh, fucking A. This stupid market. If this stops me out, it's pretty much the market's rigged and I'm the best trader ever. But like, this is pretty, you know, it's the market makers are watching my stream. So that's why. Like, if I lose on this trade, the only reason that I'm going to lose is because the market makers watch my stream and, you know, they do this on purpose. So I'm just putting that out there. It's not my fault. Okay. I have nothing to do with this trade. It's the fact that the market makers are going to stop me out. Oh, fuck me. God damn it, Charles, you son of a bitch. Son of a bitch, Charles. Just don't look at my P&L. Look at this P&L. I'm up $8,000, baby. Woo! Woo! All right, I'm moving my stop to the low of these candles here. Oh, God. All right, we are either going to launch or we're going to drop. We're either going to launch or we're going to fucking drop, boys. Not again. Why is it? How does that always happen? How does that always happen, chat? You go long and then your entry turns into resistance. How is that? I don't even understand. It's like this fucking market is rigged. I'm telling you, man. Shit is absolutely rigged. Look at that. Again, my entry is resistance now. How is that possible? God. Well, fucking A. This has got to be the stupidest trade ever. So tight. ES is trying to break out. Nasdaq's trying to break out. Can we just fucking break out? You know, can we? I don't know. I don't know, man. About, ugh. It is not looking good for my stop there. All right. We're still up 5,000 on the day. It's not over yet, Chad. It's not over yet. It's not over yet. We're coming back. We're going to get it again. It's not over yet, chat. There's that dump back down to the 80, 90s. Good thing we got stopped out where we did. It is what it is. I don't give a fuck what anybody in the chat says about L. I took a trade. I showed you guys live. I got stopped out. It is literally what it is. I mean, that's welcome to trading. You know? Welcome to trading. Anybody in the chat who's going to talk shit can go fuck themselves. All right? Literally. I mean, the thought process is I took a trade. I literally took a trade. I'm still green on the day. And that's it. That's it. I'm up $5,000 on the day. I took a trade. I got stopped out. And now I wait for another trade. That's it. This is trading. Welcome to trading, people. You know? That is literally welcome to trading. So, look, back up again. They took out these wicks there on the 5-minute chart. It might just fucking pop straight back up there again. The chop is real. So... I mean, I'm not overly bearish. I still think this could make new highs today. It's just, we're going to chop around and be stupid along the way. Nvidia pulling back. I see it. I mean, look at that. Again, the ES, the Nasdaq, got bought right back up. I'm still long from the 65s in my personal account. I got 8 contracts looking for new highs here today. So, as long as we stay above the VWAP, I'll stay long. ES, kind of the same exact setup here as well. If you guys haven't checked out fundingticks.com, the latest, the greatest, they just rolled out their new plan. You can see the little... They've got the new deal, which is Funding Ticks 0, which is basically an eval. And then you've got the straight to funded account. So if you guys want to check them out right now, they're 30% off. Use the code PW. The only discount that you can get in the industry right now. This is the 0 account, which is basically straight to funded. The Pro Plus is the evaluation account. And you can break down the rules there, how it all works. They've paid out over $120 million in the Forex space. And now they're trying to take over the futures space. If you look at the hourly chart, we're still like kind of we broke out here on the hourly chart, and we're retesting that breakout level. So you got to see what happens here. What's the difference between a straight to funded versus evaluation? Well, one of them is straight to funded and one of them is an evaluation. I think is the best way to explain it, really. Do I still drive the McLaren? No, I sold it. I'm too poor for McLaren life. I never drive it. It just sits over there looking at me. All right, Nasdaq still holding up there. You got a new Lambo? No, it's an old one that I've had. I just haven't had it for a while at the BDH. All right, Nasdaq just chopping around here some more. Some nasty looking price action here. Do you still have the R33? I do. Back to the VWAP again. The dollar cost averaging rule. Do not, I think you're allowed to what? Add 3 times? I mean, that's just like normal for every prop firm. Don't dollar cost average. I don't know why people are so like confused about it. Dollar cost averaging is not a strategy. If you just buy until you blow your account up, that's not a strategy. That's just playing the game. You know, that's all that is. All right, again, Nasdaq just holding up here. If we get back above 22,100s, I might be looking for a long again. Why not? You know, why not? Why not, chat? If this 5-minute candle can pretty much flip this 5-minute candle, you got a big wick, VWAP supporting. So it's like if we get above, get a breakout through this 5-minute candle here, we should try to make new highs after that. I think you're allowed to have up to $300,000 allocation with funding ticks. So that's six 50K accounts or 3 100K accounts. Like I've always said, I mean, the 50K account is probably your best bang for your buck in terms of the risk to reward, you know? Gala, if DCA is not a strategy, what is it? I mean, buying 30 times as the market pulls back is not a strategy. That's the difference. You know what I mean? Like, if you are just buying because the market's pulling back, like, how is that a strategy?
I don't care that you got an L. I still love you.
Yeah, I mean, you know, like. All right, Nasdaq again trying to push up here. I'm kind of feeling like I might want to get long. We're breaking out there on the 5-minute chart. We're going to do it. I'm going to do it, chat. YOLO and the YOLO. Stop pretty much at the 80s there. I might just walk away after this trade. Might just walk, go to the bath, just leave. Just going to leave. I'm going to come back and be so fucking rich. I'll be so fucking rich. Did it go up? What the fuck? Didn't go up. It didn't go up. It's going to, though. It's going to. Oh, my. Come. Let's get through there, chat. Let's go. 5-minute chart's breaking out here. Tell me we're not going higher. Yeah, I pissed myself. Fucking A. It didn't stop. I was excited. I didn't have time to shake it. I didn't have time to shake it. You know? It's a problem that I have. I don't know how to shake it. All right, we're looking for, I'm looking for, I want to see, like, possibly, like I said, all the way up there to the 35, 40 area. Fuck it. Fuck it. Oh my, come on, Nasdaq. Don't start fucking chopping around here again. Let's just start going up. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. Wow. About the dollar cost average this bitch. About the dollar cost average this motherfucker. I'm about the dollar cost average this motherfucker. Watch me. I'm a dollar cost average my big old dick. What is this? How? Why? Why me? There we go. There we go. Get away from my fucking entry. Get away from my entry, Nasdaq. Get away from it. Get away from my entry. Yes, away. Go up. I got no emotions. I'm a robot. I just get long and I just close my eyes, boys. I don't even know what the price is doing, bro. I don't even know. I'm not even looking. I'm not even looking. I got no idea. I'm not even... Oh, fuck. Didn't go up anymore. Oh! Dude, this guy just gave me $1 million. AED, how much is that? In Dubai, that's how much? 1 billion? That's the owner of Funding Ticks, by the way. I'm so rich now, I can't. Dude, this market right now. Why has it got to do this to me? Why does this market got to do this to me, chat? Why's that got to do it to me like that? Wow. Wow. And just chopping it back down there again. What a stupid day. What a stupid day. I'm adding. I got 17 contracts. I'm not even looking at it no more. Stops below the 70s. I'll walk away and then come back tomorrow in the green, baby. Can you take me higher? We need that song right now, boys. We need it. The market needs it. They need it. They need it right now. There's only one song for me, boys. Ooh.
to escape from the life I live when I'm away. So let's go there. Let's make our escape. Come on, let's go there. Just for these days. Place where to appreciate those nights and those
Buckety.
But my friend,
And we're pulling back here.
all those nights if I could make beautiful night dreams the same. The only difference is to let love replace all I hate. So let's go there. Let's make our escape. Come on, let's go there. Let's just Can you take me
Higher. Not looking good. Not looking good, but are you kidding me? Right to my stop now. Right to my stop there. YOLO. Let's go there. Let's go there. I've heard well, it didn't work. I thought the Creed would really get us going there. 5-minute chart. We're right there at the VWAP. I mean, we could, like, we're just stuck there, so whatever. Make them dry. I'm sticking to the plan. It is what it is. I don't really get everybody in the chat. Okay, it's all good. I'll be good. Don't worry. I don't know why everyone's worried. The chop was real today. It is what it is. You take me higher. And we're probably going to get stopped out here. I feel like 60s. I'm going to move these stops here. I'm going to basically move these stops down here below the 50s. And then I'm going to walk away. You like that? That's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to walk away. Literally. I'm going to go do something else. Leave these stops down there. And let it ride, baby. It is what it is. It is what it is, chat. Ooh. Bro, somebody Someone took a screenshot of my pee-pee. That's fucked up. That's fucked up, chat. Who did that? Who did that? Look at this. Somebody put a picture of my pee-pee on fucking Twitter. Assholes. Dude, I mean, it's not my fault that my dick is so big and I just couldn't, I didn't have time to shake it. You know, what the fuck, man? Fucking assholes. I got a problem, okay? Dude, I got a problem. It's not my, people are laughing. I'm self-conscious about this. I'm self-conscious about this. Damn it. They're making fun of me again on the internet. Oh no. It's fucked up. It's not funny. Well, look at that. Nasdaq right back up there off the VWAP again. That's why I'm sticking to the plan, boys. You can hate me, you can love me, you can say whatever you want about me, but at least I'm fucking putting it on. You know, at least I'm sitting here actually taking real trades and not just fucking sitting here calling out levels and, you know, saying, oh, the market might go up, it might go down. You know, it is what it is. So, it's not, for me, I'm okay taking losses. I know that at the worst come to worst, like, hey, tomorrow I'll make money back. Thursday, maybe not Thursday, Friday I'll make money back, right? Like, that's what it is. That is literally the game. We lose, we make money. We lose, we make money. We lose, we make money. That's all it is. It is a game of losing and making money. It is not a game of making money constantly. It is a game of losing and making money. Losing and making money. Losing and making money. Why'd you change the name? It's still the BDH. Don't worry. It's still BDH. Always BDH. But we thought it'd be funny because, you know, funding ticks, BTH, you know, kind of thing. So, oh man, if we get above that 100 level, I think we could go, you know, we could go higher. So tomorrow, FOMC, yes, should be some good action. Hopefully tomorrow. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, look at Nvidia just popped straight back up there. It doesn't take much to pop this market up.
Push IT price will go up.
OT Genesis. Okay, I got you. What's that? Push it. This is the song? Go with the money, go with the money. Go with the money, go with the money. Skirt, 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 skirt. Skirt, skirt, skirt. Skirt, skirt, skirt. it didn't go any higher. I thought if I really embraced it, it would go. Everybody in the chat is saying I should get out. Hey, at this point, why would I get out? I just set through that whole drawdown to do what? To get out? No fucking way. That's some real dumb shit. That's some broke boy shit. That's some broke boy shit right there. That's broke boy shit. Come on, Nasdaq. Right here, baby. Do. We just gotta get through that 110 level. Hey, bitch. Where's everybody in the chat that said I suck? Where'd they all go? Where'd everybody go? Where did they go? Where did they go? Think about it like this. Why the fuck would I get stopped out when we're right at the VWAP? You know what I mean? Why? Why would I do that? That'd be really fucking retarded, wouldn't it? Do I look like a fucking retard to you? Do I look fucking retarded to you? Do I? Is this a face of a retard? No. This is the face of a fucking winner. Of a winner. Put some orders out here to get filled. All right, I might be a little retarded, but at least I'm fucking green. We break through this 110. We're going, boys. Oh, fuck me. Why is it gotta be so fucking gay? Why is this market gotta be so fucking gay? Fuck you, Nasdaq, and your gay-ass bullshit. So gay. This is the gayest market I've ever seen in my life. Why is this market so gay? How's the bass fishing in Florida? It's good. We got some big bass. You talking about ass or bass? We got the big Cuban booties. Big Cuban mamacita, nice to meet you. Got the big old booties. Ooh, ooh, big old booties. Are you not sail fishing anymore? No, we're going marlin fishing. I'm going to Hawaii. By the way, if you're just now tuning in, I'm actually going to Hawaii at the end of the month. I'll be in Hawaii for about a month and a half fishing every single day. That's right. I'll be there for about 30 days and I'm fishing for about 29 total days. But I will be live streaming as well, so don't worry. I'll be here for you always. I will hold your hand, boys. Maybe not in the bathroom, but I'll hold your hand when it comes to the trading, fucking being the #1 trader on YouTube. That's what I'll do. I do it for you guys. You know, everybody wants to be somebody, but nobody want to be it. You know, I'll be out here trying to do it, trying to live it. You know, I'm about it. I be about it. I live about it. I be up in it. You know, I'm the man, the myth, the legend, the best to ever do it. I stand up in the morning and I piss excellence. I go out in the backyard butt ass naked. All my neighbors are like, oh, he's doing it again. He's doing it again. I'm like, yeah, I'm doing it. I'm pissing excellence. I fill my pool up. I fill my pool up with excellence. Every morning, you got to go out there. The oxygen's got to hit your dick. You know, people don't, you know, #1 rule about being a man, #1, stop wearing underwear. #2, go outside, let your balls breathe, right? Too many people, they wear little whitey tighties, their balls don't breathe. Think about that. Your balls are just sitting there, and they're in your little butthole, and they ain't breathing. You got to let those balls breathe. If you want to be a man, you got to let it breathe, all right? When your balls breathe, that's when you trade better. You know, and also, don't be afraid to rub one out every once in a while. You know, when you're fucking feeling down on your life, you know, pull up a little, you know, Pornhub, a little crazy. Whatever you're into, there's all kinds of weird fetishes out there. I mean, hey, I'm not judging. I'm just saying. You know, if you're making money, you gotta be fucking getting it out. You know, I got, you know, at least 5 times a day. Minimum 5 times a day. People think that you know, like you be doing it for, you know, like, no, you 5 times a day just to get it going. That's the truth. If you're not doing it 5 times a day, what the fuck are you doing? You know what I mean? Like if you're not doing it while you're thinking, like sometimes I'll be trading, just being like, let me get one in real quick. Just keep those numbers up. You know? I mean, it's the truth. You can watch Wolf of Wall Street. I'm not even like talking shit. It's literally in the movie. You know, it's fucking in the movie, chat. No! I am giving advice on how to be a man right now, all right? Get those balls out of your little whitey tighties. Throw away the whitey tighties. That is literally how you become a bitch, right? It's brainwashing to make you become a bitch. Because what it does is it makes your balls right next to your butthole, and then it all starts to come together, and before you know it, you're now a hermaphrodite. Think about that. You're a hermaphrodite. Don't be a fucking hermaphrodite. Be a man. Look at this, motherfuckers. Are you unimpressed? Everybody in the chat, I want you all to fucking apologize. Everybody needs to apologize. Everybody needs to apologize. Or I'm going to pull my balls out on the stream just to show you how big they are. Are you kidding me? These people, man. These people. I'm literally up. I'm still long. I'm up 15 grand in my personal account right now from the 67s. I told you, motherfuckers. Don't ever doubt me. Don't ever doubt me. Why? You know, everybody like, Patrick sucks. It's going to crash. The market's going to crash. Let's talk about why the market didn't fucking crash. Let's talk about it. I don't know. Let's use fucking common sense here. We got the VWAP down there, boys. We got the 15-minute fucking range. It ain't rocket science. I'm telling you, I'm fucking half retarded. Right? I am fucking literally, if somebody like it looked at my brain and they'd be like, yeah, this guy's fucking retarded. But I still do it. You know, I still make money. So don't give me no excuse. Don't be like, man, I can't figure out how to make money because it's so hard to trade because, you know, I don't understand it, Patrick. I don't understand how you make money. Well, you know what? You don't need to be smart. You just got to have big balls. All right, we took some profit on the push up there. You know, I'm not going to get greedy, obviously. Hey, I'll take a little bit of profit as we go, right? You know what I mean? We take a little bit of profit as we go here, people. Come on now. You know, let's not get crazy now. Let's not get too crazy. But I still think we could make new highs here. All right, I still think we could. So we got 5 contracts left. I'm going to just take it all right there. Well, I'm going to leave 3. I'm going to leave 3 contracts for a possible new high here today. All right, that's how we're going to fucking do it. And I'm going to show you here very, very, very soon how fucking rich we are today. On the day right now, we're up $10,000. That's $10,000 locked in. Once I lock in the rest, then we're going to be up $12,000. All right. So again, I want everybody in the chat, everybody that said that this was going to crash, that says that I'm the worst trader, that said I don't know what I'm doing, I want you to fucking go find a very small square peg or a small hole because your little dicks are that small. But go find a little square hole. Right? And I want you to go, fuck that hole. You're worthless. You're worthless. Even your mama told me you're worthless. She called me last night like, I'm sorry about fucking George. It's not George's fault. His daddy didn't raise him right. Daddy didn't tell him, you know, yeah, a square hole. Very small square hole. People ask about, they're trying to figure out what hole to find. I'm like, fucking square one. Go find you a square hole and you go fuck yourself in it, all right? Like my dad used to always say, he'd be like, you know what you say? You say, you go fuck yourself, you know, I'll rip your fucking head off and I'll shit down your throat and put it back on, boy. I'm like, that's kind of gnarly. That's kind of gnarly, Dad. That's like murder. You know? George got to change his name now. He's so ashamed. He's ashamed. All right, so from the 92s up there to the 132s, I want everybody to just admit it. Just admit it. Admit it. Just fucking admit it for once. Why can't people just admit it? I am the best to ever do it. I am the best to ever do it. Who does it like this? Who the fuck does it like this? Every other little bitch ass motherfucker on YouTube, you know what they do? They be like, oh man, I'm getting out of this trade. I'm scared. I'm scared. What did I say, chat? I said, I'm gonna grab my balls and I'm gonna put them on the table and I'm gonna show the world. I'm gonna show the world how it's gonna go, how this is gonna play out, all right? And that's exactly what we did. All right, what did we do? We made a new high. Everything after this can go fuck himself. I don't even care. We made a new high, all right? We made new highs. We made new highs. I got one contract left. We made, oh my God. We made new highs. Oh God, what is that? Fucking market makers, they knew it. They wanted to stop me out with that last contract. Dude, what the fuck is this? This is some bullshit right here, boys. Some real fucking bullshit. They're watching my live stream. They let me get filled at the top, but they didn't let me get filled with the last contract. Bro, that's some wild shit. Like, what is this candle right now? How is this happening right now? What is happening right now? Oh, God. What a joke. What a joke. All right, I'm happy about that. Either way, worst come to worst, we're going to walk away up $11,000, right? We had 2 trades we got stopped out on. It's part of the deal. I don't care what anybody says. Sometimes you're gonna get stopped out. It happens, right? It's gonna happen. It's part of trading. You're gonna put a trade on. You're gonna get stopped out. You're gonna look for another fucking entry. Remember, if you get stopped out, that don't mean you're a bad trader. It don't mean you're bad at trading. It just means like, hey, right then and there, the market didn't want to do what you wanted it to do, and that's fine. You know, like that's okay. You don't have to you don't have to win every trade. Like, look at my win percentage. My win percentage on my account is literally 70%. So that means 30% of the time I'm going to lose, right? Like, that's just, that is the fact. I'm not ashamed of that. I'm okay with that. I am okay with losing 30% of the time because I'm like, hey, 70% of the time, motherfuckers, I'm going to make money, right? 70% of the time, I'm going to make fucking money. And that's what I'm going to do. I might just lock in this little last contract here just to close it out, up 12,000 on the day. Let me see if I want to get that $12,000 mark. We're right there pretty much. Give it to me, you little cunt. You little cunt. We're so close. And I'm going to walk away. I got to go. I'm going to go pick up Landon, take him shopping. I got to get some clothes, man. He looks like a little crackhead all the time wearing his little, he's got like one pair of shorts. Took all of his clothes that I bought him last year to his mom's house. Damn it. All right, there we go. So, full transparency, 12,100. Can you tell us what you were thinking on the last trade? Yeah, I can tell you. I fucking told you already. It's not fucking rocket science, right? Well, it's not rocket science. VWAP, support, 15-minute chart, 5-minute chart. That's all I got. Remember, there are people out there who say that they trade, right? They'll teach you how to trade. But guess what? It's funny because all these people out there teaching how to trade, right? Everybody's a fucking day trading coach. Everybody's a teacher. But for some reason, ain't everybody on the fucking board. Where are they all at? I don't see no coaches on the motherfucking board. I don't see no influencers. I don't see no course sellers. Why are they not on the top 10? Why? Why does it say Patrick Wieland and nobody else's fucking name? Why is that? Is it because, I don't know. Is it because I'm fucking the best to ever do it? Don't waste your fucking time. Don't buy a course. Don't fucking sign up for a Discord. Don't fucking do none of that bullshit. Come right here, make money, live on YouTube. They don't trade demo. They don't even trade. What are you talking about? Fucking Top Step coaches trade combines all day. Tori Trades would be there. No, she wouldn't. Travis. Does your wife's boyfriend know that you're watching me on YouTube? Does she know that? Does your wife's boyfriend know that you're watching me on YouTube? We gotta hit her up. He is gonna be upset when he finds out that you're watching me on YouTube. All right. There it is. What a day. What a day. What a day, baby. What a day. We making money. It's a good day. Yeah. I mean, yes, there is a picture on Twitter of me peeing my pants, but like, you know, it could be worse. I could be red. You know what I mean? Like, I could be, you know, like that. Hey, at least I'm not red on the, you know, at least I'm not red. Because that would be a lot worse. It wouldn't be as fun of a day, you know, like, hey, you know. Patrick, how much tax do you pay? 2024, I'm going to pay about 1.4 million, 1.2 million, around that area. 1.2 million taxes. There you go. Tim knows. Wet on the pants, but green on the day. You know? So, I'll take it. Green, 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 green. The problem is my pee's not green. That's the problem. Wow. Well, we made new highs, and now we've gone nowhere. So I'm happy that I took profit where I did. I didn't get greedy, because I could have got greedy, and I was trying to not get greedy. You know, I don't want to get greedy, especially after that whole debacle. You know, that was not a fun debacle. Trust me, like, to be honest, like, I don't want to hold through that type of bullshit. Like, that's not really what I want to do, but I had confidence that we would try to at least take out, like, push up that high again, kind of off the VWAP, and just kind of lock it in there, man. So, kind of is what it is. Happy with it, and yeah, good on the day for it. So, I love you from India. Ooh, we're in India, baby. Bollywood, shake your boot. We'll close it out with this tribute to India. I gotta figure out a song. We got any good songs? What's a good Indian song? Good India song. India music. I just typed in India music. Extremely. What else? What's the other one? Oh, that's the one. Are you even rich? Are you even rich if your doors don't go up? Are you even? Look at that. Doors up. Doors up, baby. I gotta put them all up. Putting up the doors. Woo! Back to the fridge. All right, let's give it some revs. I'm getting out of here, chat. Fuck this place. Fuck these cars. I got things to do. People to see. Places to be. Did I tell you to close that? Did I tell you to close the door, editor? Fucking editor, closing the door. Well, there it is, chat. It's good. It's good. It's good, baby. Oh, fucking A. Well, there, I mean, I don't want to say I called the top there, but pretty happy with that. I mean, we took profit on that push up. We're up $12,000 in my PA account today. We got a total balance of 320,000, right? 320 or 350? Yeah, 320. So it's a 150K account. 150K account with Apex. We're up to $470,000 with a balance. And we're getting it going there. So there it is. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Wild Wednesdays. The market is closed on Thursday. So that's it. That's the story. That's all I got. So check them out. Fundingticks.com. Use the link. Use the code. All the fun stuff. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. It's time. I got to go. Was it 11:30? I think we broke some records. We had some crazy views today. We had a lot of views on the stream today. But I got a song for you guys. I'll leave you with this amazing song. Good luck. We love you. See you tomorrow. Peace to the Middle East.
I know he's pretty dumb, but I think he's confused. Insane. Now we're friends.
Listen, anybody and everybody that's going to come and contact you, you tell them exactly what my account's sitting at. And I sat there and I pushed, and I sat there, pushed, and I fucking laid pushed, and I sat there, pushed,
Going down hard.
pushed,
Oh my god.
pushed,
Little cunt.
Yes. Push. I sat there. Push.
Going down hard.
Push.
Oh my god.
Push.
Little cunt. I got this.
So much power.
Don't worry, guys. Can you take me higher? I got this.
So much power.
Don't worry, guys. I know exactly how to make the market go. Winner, chicken dinner. It's hard to day trade. It's easy to sell a course. Winner, chicken dinner. If you're not making money when you're sleeping, you're not making money. Winner, chicken dinner. Literally, my girlfriend makes more money than ICT does trading. Think about that. That's fucking funny. Big drop down. Move my stop. Big drop down. Big drop down, daddy. Big drop down. Move my stop. Big drop down. Big drop down, daddy.
Fucking push. I sat there. Push.
Going down hard.
Push.
Oh my god.
Push.
Little cunt.
Push.
Yes.
Push. I sat there. Push.
Going down hard.
Push.
Oh my god.
Push.
Little cunt. The vertigo, man. The vertigo. 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 Imagine if I told you that literally all you had to do to make millions of dollars is just post up online to get people to hate you and then you make money. Don't be telling people the secret.